we got something heavy. Yes, we got the red box. So you know what that means. We got something custom, but that you can buy, so it's not really custom. But anyways, we got the Air Max 95. Cue music.
That's 10 years I told Pooh in 95, I'll kill you if you try me for my Air Max 95.
Let's get right into it. All right, guys, so pieces of paper. Always good that you have this this little sticker here. That means it's a real shoe. So let's get into it. Boom. Whoa, what in the Bloody Mary. So I will say this. I have flash on right now. That is why they look very, very red and very, very bright. So since this is a legit box, we're not gonna launch this one. We're gonna keep that one right there. All right, so these are the iconic. Oh, I thought it looked a little stained here. But these are the iconic Air Max 95s. So before I get into the history of it, let's just get a quick little see of the shoes. So as you can see, we got air units here. Oh, we got that beautiful, beautiful reflective white. It's reflective, so this is red. I'm gonna take the flash off right now, but on camera it's coming out white, and I actually like that. I actually like the white look with flash on. So we got a Nike there. Insides are all red with the same Nike Air. So the only part of the shoe that's reflective is the back. Now let's go a little bit of history on these. Oh my goodness, that's so cool. All right, so this is how the shoe looks with no flash. Now, this colorway here is like, honestly guys, this is gonna be a showstopper colorway. Like, it's that red that when you see it, you're gonna be like, oh, you're gonna be like, uh-huh. Those are 95s. So these little grooves here, they call it like the synthetic muscle of the shoe, because it's like being layered, so it's like muscle fibers. Definitely, I really like this this rubber sole. It's not the cheap rubber sole. Like, this is actually the good durable material. Like it almost reminds me of either a 720 or a 270, just cause let's just say you were to delete this big glob, it would just literally be a 720 or a Nike 270. But here you got like those like thick camper tie like stuff down ropes, like laces, breathable design. So like it's definitely not gonna be a shoe that's gonna smell. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the overall of the Air Max 95. Let's go put them on the feet and see how they look. Let me take out all this stuff though. So we're gonna know if this is true to size, if you need to go bigger, if you need to go smaller. Don't know all that. All right, so I'll give you guys a quick look. So this right here, I thought it was gonna pop, but it's not an air bubble. It's like this cool, like glazed plastic. Gives it a really nice look. Gotta make sure no one's been wearing my shoes. I noticed this right here, but what is that? Oh hell no! You better not be wearing my shoes out. Right. This is what I'm wearing right now. I will change them out in the next clip with some white or black, just so you guys can see how they look. But for right now, I only got blue socks right now on. Ooh, so this is definitely is a difficult shoe to put on. I always get scared when I get these like new type of shoes that they're gonna be tight, but this here, honestly, is a really snug fit shoe. And dude, right away, that's the showstopper right there. Ooh, that's clean. All right, let's put the other one on. And I'm not one to really like shoes like this, but you know, these are actually clean, guys. And it don't look too bad with blue socks. Tripping. Might not even wear the other socks. Look at that. Let's go take them out in the sun, see how they look. Overall, first impressions, it's a super locked shoe. Definitely gonna need some breaking in. But overall, it's a pretty comfortable shoe. Now, it looks good on feet. Point of view, not so much. It's a little bulky. I'm gonna show you how it looks. So this is how the shoe, the Air Max 95s look on feet, point of view style. Sport, but I already know that I'm not going to be able to use these for running just because of the mere fact that this is a really rough piece of the shoe, and it definitely hits the back part of the ankle here when you're walking. Check it out. But hey man, this is a fire colorway, bro. All right, guys, thank you for making it to this point in the video. If you made it to this point in the video, I want to make an announcement. These will be your giveaway shoes right here. In order to enter this giveaway for this video, and I'm going to be doing, you'll have more chances to enter, but if you type in the word Fiji, F-I-J-I, I will enter you in the giveaway. So these are your giveaway shoes, guys. I wanted to pick a cool colorway that almost everyone will like, and what a better shoe than the iconic Air Max 95s. All right, guys, I'll be doing an update video on these and how well they perform, and you already know how I do. Peace.